Hi guys, I'm here today with my Lookiero box. My name is Fawn and this is my channel and it's my happy place. I come here for advice, girls. I come here for help. I come here also to help and to show you things that I found that I think are brilliant. And I'm sorry, I was just fiddling with my necklace. If you like that kind of thing, please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave a comment. So you'll have seen my Stitchfix, which was up, it was the last video I put up. Same day, so this is like half an hour later. I've had water, I've cooled down a little bit. And I'm going straight into my Lookiero because I want to really sort of feel the two. I know that Lookiero is better, but I want to really feel it and see it as you would if you do it on the same day as each other. So here we go. Lookiero is the same as Stitchfix in that it costs £10 to have a box style for you with 5 items. You open it up, that's what it looks like. You can have it once a month, you can have it every 6 months, you can really suit yourself. There's no real commitment with it. Inside you get an envelope, pink envelope, and in it you have, let's have a look. I've got a spread the word Lookiero and £10 for every friend that follows your link. I've got a price list, which I don't look at, not till the end. And then, oh, and I've got my Zahara. She's my stylist and I think she's amazing. Okay, hi Fawn, how are you? I saw your video on the last box and I loved that dress on you, gorgeous. For this box, I started with the oh no, I don't want to read too much about what's in them. Oh, she's added something in a real pop of colour. She says, I know you love this colour, so I just can't resist sending it. You can tell me if I'm getting carried away, if I beg your pardon. Finish with your Birkenstock, so that's good, colour. Let's see, ooh, thicker straps. A looser, relaxed style. It comes up a bit smaller, so this size should fit you perfectly. Can't wait to see the unboxing for and have a lovely day. Kisses, Zahara. She gets me. The girl gets me. So, and you also get, it says for Fawn on it, sheet with the items. I'm not going to look at it. And how they would recommend that you styled it, what pieces you could style it with. So, here we go. I'm excited. Can you tell the difference? It's a whole different energy when I get a Lookiero box. So I've got 1, 2 packages, and then in the bottom I've got my envelope. Is it prepaid? Sometimes they are. Sometimes they already have, yes, already has the label on it. So you just pop it into a DPD shop, which is a bit of a poo, but my local Matalan takes them, so I'm not too bad. So let's open up. Ooh, straight away I like this. Look at this shirt. Isn't that pretty? I like the pale blue. Love the spots. The fabric is lovely. Long sleeves. Yeah, yes, long sleeves. It's by a company called Want It and it's a 3XL. I held it up for you to see. It's almost see-through. It's so light. The fabric is so light, which is perfect for me. I'm just going to look and see if it's cotton because I think it might be. Yes, it's 100% cotton. I love a good shirt and I think that is a good shirt. Oh, wow. Okay. Love this. Love. Look at this. Now, I don't buy strapless very often. It's very unusual. You can see I'm wearing a dress that's strapless. Yeah, strap. Is it strapless? Sleeveless. Sleeveless is the word I'm looking for. Because I'm not very good about it, but I'm getting better. Look at the pattern on this. Oh, I've got to hold it up close so you can see the colours and the pattern. It's starfish. It's under the sea. There actually are fish on it. Love it. It is so soft and cottony. It's by Nude Atelier. It's a size 46. Please let this fit because I love it. It's buttoned down. It's perfect. Oh, wow. And then some incredibly white jeans. Incredibly white. Lovely denim, Street One casual fit. Now, I've had some Street One stuff before. I think my black trousers were Street One. They are incredibly white, but they are cropped, which is nice. White denim. It's got silver. Let me see if I can show you on the pockets. There are like little silver studs on here. They're really quite dressy. They would be a nice going out in the evening type with a pair of heels or wedges, wedge espadrilles, something like that. I like them a lot. So they're by Street One Denim. and they are a size style casual fit 34-22, whatever that means. 22, maybe that's the leg, 22 because they're short, and 34 waist, maybe, I don't know. But I like them, incredibly white. I don't have anything as white as this. Oh, and it looks really good with the two tops. If I just show you, if I hold it up a second. I mean, look, they all work together beautifully. Oh, I'm loving this. It's coral. Look at that for a nice shirt. Oh, it is nylon, which is not my favourite, but it's what I would call a 3/4 sleeve, elasticated, and it's got this little trim. Hoping that's coming across. It is V-neck, it's loose, it's casual, it's very sort of kaftan-esque. Really like it. It's by Only Kalmakoma. I have a few things from Only Kalmakoma. I like their stuff. And the size, glasses, it's tiny. Do you know, I'm so hot, ladies. Look at this, my glasses are misting up. It's a UK 18. So yes, loving that. That would also go great with the white trousers. That's what I love. Zahara works it out. She knows what I've already got, but she also makes sure the box makes sense. The Stitchfix box didn't make sense at all. Sorry, I am so hot. Last but not least, oh, a dress. Oh, and it's cotton. A cotton dress, and I kind of like that pattern. Does that suit me? I think it does. It's a shirt dress. It is, yes, as I say, cotton. It's long sleeve, a little bit of elastic at the bottom. It is a true shirt dress. It does have a belt. Love it. Love it. Fingers crossed now that these things work, because there is honestly nothing there that I wouldn't love to put in my wardrobe. So let's get going. Okay, right. I love the trousers. Now I've had to put them at a very funny height, ladies, because I've got, my surgery wound is at the belly button. So I've had to sort of pull them down a bit. So they're sitting really funny and causing the most insane rolls at the moment with my stomach. But that's just because they need to be pulled up that little bit more, but I daren't do it. But I will show you the back. They're great over the bum. Love the length. They're just slim enough in the leg, but not too slim. Love that they're cropped. I mean, I cannot believe that I'm wearing white cropped jeans, but with these shoes, you know, love them. Love the jeans. Love the shirt. I mean, it is nylon, which is, you know, it's not my favourite, but I do love this colour. It's loose, it's comfortable, it's got a dressy feel to it. I feel quite dressed up in this outfit, which is silly, but I mean, I think, you know, big gold earrings, nice necklace, little bag. I would totally go to the pub or out for a meal with my husband dressed like this. It feels really good. As I said, I'm saying it feels really good. It feels really good in here. At the moment, it doesn't feel really good here. I won't show you what's happening here, but because of, I'm still quite bloated from the surgery, it's a difficult one to judge a pair of trousers or judge a pair of jeans with my wounds, but I love them. They will be staying, and I think probably this top will too. I've kept the trousers on because I really wanted to see it together, but it's not doing the top justice. In fact, I do feel sorry for the whole box. I've got my oldest, most comfy, sort of saggy bra. So of course it's pulling slightly, but normally a decent bra wouldn't be, because of the wound here, and of course I've pulled the jeans to a funny place because of the wound here. So I've got all these lumps and bumps, so you're going to have to try and look past them, girls. I'm doing my best to look past them because I know that this is a temporary situation. I love this top. Let's cut to it. I love the length of it. I think it's so light, it's so soft, it's so cotton. Love the colours, and for me, who does not do sleeveless, I think it's amazing. The little jacket or a cardigan, it's the bomb.com. I love it. I really love it. I want you to see the pattern. I like the way it opens into a V, like the button. As I say, it's all pulling slightly, but that's all to do with what's going on with the bod at the minute. I can't believe how bloated I still am from the surgery. I really can't. I'm hoping my sister-in-law works in the medical field, and she said it's perfectly normal and it will take a few weeks for everything to just, but I'm surprised. I am surprised by quite how bloated I still am. But I love it. The top is staying as well as the trousers. I am going to take the trousers off this time though, because I'm beginning to really feel it. So moving on, this dress is a sheer delight. The fit is fabulous. The fabric, cotton, it can't be beaten. I'm sorry, it can't. I really like the way that it fits my body. I wish it had pockets, you know me. If I can, you know, I'm always looking for the pockets. Doesn't have pockets, but I love it. And I think it can be worn like this with the, you know me, I'm going to pull the sleeves up a little bit in the summer. But equally, I think with the right tights and boots, this one would go through into the winter or certainly autumn, because the colours work for that. So it's a workhorse dress. If I come in so you can see the pattern, I don't know if you saw it before properly, but I rate it. I really like it, ladies. So this dress is an absolute winner. And there's my husband ringing me. 1 minute, ending with a bit of a disappointment. Look, it's too tight over my boobs. I'm a bit gutted about that because I really, really like this shirt. I'm actually thinking, I mean, I've got a really bad bra on. Changing my bra isn't going to change that. But I wonder what it would look like if I wore it open over a white sort of vest cami. Now I do have one. I pulled on these shorts because these are so high-waisted, they actually go past my wound. Yeah, I think what I'm going to do is get a white vest shirt and put it, because I just like it. I like it so much. Okay, so with a white tee underneath, vest tee underneath, I think it's really cute. I do really like this blouse. You can see though by how much too small it is, because that's, you know, that is now comfortable. So it's that much too small. So this clothing line want it. Obviously cuts very, very small, but I do like it. Whether I should get it, bearing in mind that I can't do it up, I'd have to lose quite a lot of weight for this to do up, I think. I don't know. It's going to depend on what it costs and what that does to the box, because everything else I want. This is the only one that is just not quite right on me. I mean, it does up fine here, but forget it on the chest. So, yeah. Let's go look at the prices. Oh, what a difference a box makes. From Stitchfix to this one, it's night and day. So, glasses. Let's find out what the prices are, because that always dictates what I keep, what I don't, whether I qualify for the discount, all that kind of thing, because that blue and white spotted shirt, which I like so much, is sort of dubious. But let's see. So first up is the white shirt. It's by Want It. It's called Dot's shirt in a blue light. It's £31.90. That is a lot of money for a shirt that I can only wear as a cover up, as a jacket, if you will. I'm really going to have to think about that one. I'm going to put it to one side because I really like it, but £31.90 and I can't do it up over my boobs, you know? Let's see what else we've got. Next we have the sleeveless top by Nude Atelier. I love this top. I love this top. I have nothing like it. It's Nude Atelier. It's called the beer top print. And it's £35.90, which again, it's not cheap, but my goodness, the quality is there. I really think this is going to have to stay with me. Next, we have the jeans. Oh, now, here's nice news. The jeans are in the sale. They are reduced, which again is a thing that Lookiero does, and I have never seen from Stitch Fix. If something goes into the sale, they honour it and put the sale price in. So these great white jeans, which are just, I didn't even know I wanted them till I had them, by Street One, were, hang on, whoops, they were £53. They're 50% off, so they are £27. They are staying, £27. I mean, for going out trousers, I love them. Whether I'm going to be able to keep them quite as white as this, I don't know. but I'm going to give it a go. Next up is the dress that I love. It's gorgeous. The fabric is fabulous. The fit was fabulous. I felt great in it. And I think it's got legs. I think it's the sort of dress I can wear for a long time. This is called the Only Karmakona Carlo dress in dark blue, and it's £40, and it's worth every penny of £40 to me, to feel as good as that and to feel how breathable it was. It's a hot day here and I am as clammy can be. I have to shut the windows, as I've told you before, because when the tractors start up and all of that, the din is unbelievable. And we do get, because it's so quiet here, when a random car goes by, it is deafening. It's amazing how loud it is. So it's hot in here and I am sweltering, and I felt great in it. So, and then last but not least is, again by Only Karmakona, is the coral sort of tunic top. I wish it wasn't nylon, I have to be honest, because I so loathe nylon. But I really do like the colour. I liked the fit. I felt good in it, and it is £32. So this is on the maybe pile, just because of the fabric, really. So I've got 3 definites and 2 maybes. Now let's see what the maths means. So the whole box came to £166.80. Obviously they take the styling fee off, which is £10, and then I get a 25% discount, which is another £32, which brings the total to £124.35, which I think you'll agree is amazing. Now, £124.35 to keep it all. If I kept just the 3 things that I like, the bill comes to £102.90, which I think is good for a dress, a pair of jeans and a blouse that I really, or a top that I really like. But for 124, I could keep it all. So it means that these would cost me £22 for the blue spots and the coral. What would you do, ladies? Let me know. Would you say yes, 5 for 5, even though fabric, size, oh no. Or would you say, no, I'm going to cut my losses and I'm just going to go for the £102? You're going to have to let me know, because I'm confused, but I'm still overwhelmed. Zahara, you do a brilliant job. But I think Want It might not be my friend. I think that's a brand we might miss out on, even though I absolutely love their stuff. And yeah, oh, I love Only Karmakona, and that colour is amazing, isn't it? Oh, I'm going to have to think. You're going to have to let me know. That was another amazing Lookiero. Bye, guys.